We're on Highway 3. Just going to pan around and let you see where some of the water damage is. A lot of people will recognize the field over there. So this is where the highway was closed, and a large ditch and trench work proceeded to fix this up. You see some of the equipment in there. So obviously they did a lot of work actually on the shore side of the river side, which is just beyond where that piece of equipment is. But the job here is quite excellent. They did a great job. However, this field here is full of water naturally. We'll just run over real quick. Looks like a giant lake, as it turns out, with a fence cutting right through it and power poles sitting in it as well. But I'm sure this was not even close to looking like this a couple of days ago when they were working on this. There's no doubt that this has been remediated extremely well. And of course, we give kudos to the ministry for all the work they've done. And of course all the crews that came out to give them a hand. This is incredible, absolutely incredible. What a great job. If you didn't know this road, if you had never traveled this road before, you would have no idea what this could have looked like when it was covered in water.